New at 6, inadequate child care is really costing the Tri-Cities tens of millions of dollars annually in lost earnings and revenue. That's according to a new report by Tennesseans for Quality Early Education. It was partially sponsored by the Chambers of Commerce and Ballad Health. Jackie DeFusco asked business leaders how the so-called child care crisis is impacting economic development.
Josh, business leaders say they were looking for data to support what they suspected was a big problem for workforce development. The study showed an overwhelming 98% of Tri-Cities parents said inadequate child care hindered their productivity and career development.
It's just been identified by the business community that child care has become an issue for a lot of our workforce.
A new report cashing in the annual cost of the child care crisis in the Tri-Cities at $43 million in lost earnings and revenue.
I wasn't surprised. The amount kind of was something that validated what we thought.
More than half of respondents cited access, affordability, and quality as major barriers in the Tri-Cities.
There's a lot of quality early education, child care opportunities here in the Tri-Cities region. There's just not enough.
2 counties in Northeast Tennessee are considered child care deserts, where there are more than 3 times as many children than there are licensed child care slots. The report says the Tri-Cities lost 6 child care providers between 2010 and 2016, and less than half of the 563 remaining are licensed by a state agency. Furthermore, only 4 of those 249 are accredited by the National Association for the Education of Young Children, which the report calls the gold standard for quality practices.
If you're having to make a choice between affordable, quality child care and going to work, obviously the baby comes first.
That appears to be the case for several Tri-Cities respondents. 34% say inadequate child care forced them to have their pay or hours reduced. 31% say they had to quit, were fired, or demoted. 34% turned down a job offer or promotion, and 28% passed on further education or training.
If the person is comfortable and satisfied and happy with their child care situation, it makes them a better employee. I think as a business community, we need to figure out how do we address this.
The report says businesses have an important role to play in solving this problem, from providing on-site child care to helping employees pay for a provider with pre-tax dollars. Josh.
Thank you. Now, more than 60% of Tennessee parents in this survey reported that affordability was a significant challenge while trying to juggle their salary. Lots of folks know that to be the truth. We crumbled the numbers and discovered the staggering impact to the bottom line of working families who have children and who need child care. You can find that full report right now. It's up on WJHL.com.